Hello students, welcome in Advaita Education channel. Today we are going to solve practice set 14.1. So let us start. First question, find the amount and compound interest. Here principal, rate and duration is given. Principal means P is given, rate means R is given and duration in years means N is given, and you can find out the amount and compound interest. In first question, principal is 2000, rate is 5 and duration means N is 2. First we will find out the amount. Formula of amount. Here you can find out amount and compound interest. Formula of amount. Amount is equal to principal into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. Here principal is given 2000 rupees. 2000 into bracket 1 plus R is given 5 upon 100 bracket raised to N means year is given 2 raised to 2. Here this 2000 as it is. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and this 0 as it is. Means into bracket 1 plus 1 upon 20 bracket square. 2000 into 20 multiplied by 1 20, 20 plus 1 21 means here 21 upon this 20 bracket square. Square means this term is 2 times means 2000 multiplied by 21 upon 20 multiplied by 21 upon 20. Square means this term is 2 times 21 upon 20, 21 upon 20. Here 0 0 0 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. Again 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Now what is remaining in numerator? 2000 sorry 5 5 multiply by 21 multiply by 21 and their multiplication is 2205 rupees means amount is equal to 2205. Now you can find out the compound interest. Formula of compound interest. Compound interest is equal to A minus P. A means amount, just we have find out, minus P means principal. Principal is given 2000 rupees. Their subtraction is 205 rupees. Means amount is 2205 and compound interest is 205. Second question. In second question, P is given 5000, R is given 8 and N is given 3 years. Here also you can find out the amount and compound interest. Same formula of amount. Amount is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. P is 5000 into bracket 1 plus R means 8, 8 upon 100 bracket raised to N means 3. Here 5000 as it is. 100 multiplied by 100, 100 plus 8, 108 means into bracket 108 divided by 100 raised to 3 means 108 upon 100. This term is 3 times. Cube means 3 times. This 5000 as it is, multiply by 108 upon 100. Write down 3 times. Here also 1, 2, 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, 0. Cancel. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Again 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8, 54. Now what is remaining? 108 multiply by 54 multiply by 108 divided by only 100 is remaining here. Now again divide by 2. 2 fives are 10. This 0 as it is. Here also divide by 2. 2 fives are 10. 2 fours are 8. 50 को फिर से 2 से डिवाइड करो means 25. Here also divide by 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 sevens are 14. 27. Now here what is remaining? 27 multiplied by 54 multiplied by 108 divided by 25. And 27 multiplied by 54 multiplied by 108. Their multiplication is 1,57,464 divided by 25. यहाँ पे हम डिवीजन करेंगे. 25 6 are 150. 7 4. 25 2s are 50. 24. 25 9s are 225. 1 2. Now this 4 is here. Then 25 8s are 200. 14 is remaining. Now give decimal point. 1 0. 25 5s are 125. Again 1 0. 25 6 are 150. 0 0 0 means your answer is 6298.56. 56. This is your amount in rupees. Now find the compound interest. Compound interest is equal to A minus P. A is 6298.56 minus principal is 5000 and then subtraction is 1000 298.56 rupees. Means your amount is 6,298.56 and compound interest is 1,298.56. Third question. In third question, principal is given 4,000, rate is given 7.5 and duration is given 2 years. Here also you can find out amount and compound interest. Formula of amount: A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. Now put the values. P is 4,000 into bracket 1 plus R is 7.5 divided by 100 bracket raised to 2. 4,000 into 1 plus, here I am removing this decimal point, तो ये decimal point remove हो जाएगा तो नीचे और एक 0 आएगा, मीन्स 75 अपॉन 1000 bracket raised to 2. 4,000. Now here 1000 multiplied by 1000. 1000 plus 75 means 1075. 1075 upon 1000 bracket raised to 2. 1 2 3 1 2 3 0 cancel. Here 4 1 जा 4, सॉरी मैं 2 से डिवाइड करती हूँ, 2 2 जा 4, यहाँ पे 1000 को 2 से डिवाइड किया तो क्या आंसर आ जाएगा 500. अगेन हियर 2 1 जा 2, 500 को 2 से डिवाइड करते थे 250. Now here what is remaining? 1075 multiplied by 1075 divided by this 250. And 1075 multiplied by 1075 divided by 250 करेंगे, then your answer is 4,622.50 rupees. This is your amount. And compound interest is equal to A minus P. Amount is 4,622.50 minus P is 4,000. The subtraction is 622.50 rupees. Samirao has taken a loan of rupees 12,500 at a rate of 12 PCPA for 3 years. If the interest is compound annually, then how many rupees should he pay to clear his loans? First we will write down the given data. Here P is given 12,500 rupees. Rate of interest is 12. N is equal to 3. And what you have to find? Amount. Formula of amount: P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. Now put the values. P is 12,500 into bracket 1 plus R is 12 upon 100 bracket raised to 3. 12,500 into bracket 100 1s are 100 plus 12 112 upon 100 raised to 3. 12,500 multiply by, write down this 3 times, here 0 0 0 0 cancel. Here I am divided by 25. 25 5s are 125 and 25 4s are 100. Now here divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8, 9, 10, 11 means 32 means 4 8s are 32. Again here 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. This 0 as it is. Again here I am dividing by 2. 2 tens are 20. Here 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Again here I am dividing by 2. 2 fives are 10. 2 sevens are 14. Now what is remaining? 112 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 112 divided by 5 means your answer is 17,561.60 rupees. Therefore, Samir Rao should pay rupees 17,561.60 to clear his loan. To start a business, Shalaka has taken a loan of rupees 8,000 at a rate of 10.5 PCPA. After 2 years, how much compound interest will she have to pay? First, we will write down the given. P is equal to 8,000. R is equal to 10.5. 10.5 means 10.5. And N is given 2. And what you have to find? Amount. Now put the values in the formula. Here I am removing this decimal point means 1 plus 105. Decimal point remove किया तो नीचे और एक 0 बढ़ जाएगा means divided by 1000. 8,000. Here 1000 ones are 1000. 1000 plus 5 means 1105 divided by 1000 bracket square. Here 1000 ones are 1000. 1000 8s are 8000. Again here 2 से divide करो. 2 4s are 8. 2 से divide किया तो 500. Again 2 से divide किया तो 2 2s are 4. Here 250. Again here divide by 5. 5 से divide किया तो 50. Here also divide by 5. 5 2s are 10. 1 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. अगर यहाँ पे 5 से डिवाइड करो 5 10s are 50. 5 से डिवाइड किया तो 2 2 1. Here 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. Now what is remaining? 221 multiplied by 221 divided by 5 means your answer is 9,768.20 rupees. This is your amount. And what you have to find? Compound interest. Amount is 9768.20 minus principal is 8,000. Means your compound interest is 1,768.20 rupees. Therefore, Shalaka will have to pay rupees 1,768.20 as compound interest.